Hello everyone, today we are going to do experiment 4, which is kinetic discontinuous experiment involving clock reaction. The aim of this experiment is to determine the order of reaction with respect to hydrogen peroxide. You will be provided with 4 solutions. The first one, Fa1, is your hydrogen peroxide, Fa2, potassium iodide, Fa3, sulfuric acid, Fa4, sodium thiosulfate. You are also provided with starch indicator and distilled water. So for the first step of reaction, fill in your burette with Fa4, which is your sodium thiosulfate. Make sure your burette is closed before you fill it in. Adjust the level of your solution into a waste beaker. Then for your next step, using a 50 cm3 measuring cylinder, measure 25 cm3 of your Fa2 solution, which is your potassium iodide, into a 250 cm3 conical flask. Then, using the same measuring cylinder, measure another 25 cm3 of water into your conical flask as well. Then for your next step, using a 10 cm3 measuring cylinder, measure around 3 cm3 of starch indicator solution into the same conical flask. Then add in 10 cm3 of your Fa4 from the burette. Swirl the solution a bit to make sure it mixes well. Okay, then we'll set this aside. And then using another 50 cm3 measuring cylinder, we'll place around 50 cm3 of Fa1, which is your hydrogen peroxide, into a 100 cm3 beaker. Then we will also measure 20 cm3 of your Fa3, which is your sulfuric acid, using the same measuring cylinder into the beaker. This will conclude our preparation part. For our next step, we will prepare the stopwatch first. And once we add the mixture inside the beaker into the conical flask, we will start the stopwatch immediately. Okay, so we'll add in. Okay, and start the stopwatch. Okay, we'll swirl the conical flask twice, and then we'll place it down onto a white towel. Okay, so when the blue-black color appear, we'll immediately stop the stopwatch. Okay, that blue-black color is from your iodine and starch complex. Okay, after that, record down the time to the nearest second. Once the brown color, blue-black color appear, we'll stop the stopwatch and record down the time. Okay, then the next step, we'll rinse the beaker and the conical flask and shake it dry. We'll need to repeat this experiment for another 3 more rounds with different volume of your Fa1, which is your hydrogen peroxide, as shown in the table. Okay, that's all. Thank you.